advocate of women empowerment. I just believe that women should have equal rights to men in all areas of life, including education, employment, and political participation. Women should have their own power and control of their own lives and ability to make their strategic choices.
Yebo, sanibonani. Unjani uqo ngena. Unjani uqo ngena. Siyabingelela. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of ImifanekisoBTS. Imfanekiso behind the scene, where we are visiting indawo ezinhle, working with amazing souls. And today sikuphathele enye intokazi yasePinetown. Abaziyo ke bathi sePinetown laba bakwitizayo. Thina ke saba kwelase Ngabadi. Oh, Zulu boy. But anyway, bafethu, yeah, sisebenze no Candice. Candice, please check it out. Candice_Barbie, a very powerful woman. Remember, it's a women's month, so let's respect the women. Let's put them in front as we always do. Hlezi babeka lapha phambili, vele kumele sibabeke ke. And kakhulu ke inyanga yabo asibagqokise ama crown abo o queen. Phela remember khona Queen Nandi, Queen Latifah, yamazi Queen Latifah mubuka ama movie lo wase America. Bathi uQueen bani? Hayi sizobona kudala ukuthi Queen Elizabeth. Ngiyakutshela wena. Alright, but anyway bafethu, it's Women's Month. Happy Women's Month. Happy Women's Day, because I didn't get to say it. It's a Women's Day every day. So ngithengele imbali one day, not today, but one day. But I'm sure khona ureceive namhlanje.
Hi everyone, my name is Candice known as Candice Barbie. I am a model and I am from Senzokhaya in Durban. I am Miss Durban 2020 and I am Miss National South Africa 2021.
Alright, cool. So ubonile ukuthi sisebenza kanjani no Candice mfethu doing the photo shoots and all that. Yeah, very good. Very good. Nami I took the pictures. That's all I do. That's all I do, man. I just take a picture. But again, please subscribe, like, share, do what you want to do, but don't abuse my rights, the copyrights, whatever. But anyway, bafethu, go on Instagram, uthanda umsebenzi wethu, like bafethu as well. We're gonna be here next Friday. We are bringing you another hot episode. Please follow Candice bafethu, get to know her. Ukuze ukwazi ukuthi umsupport entweni ezenzayo, ungenela ama-pageant, ungenela usize emphakathini, wenza noma yini ukusiza umphakathi nontombazana. She's a very powerful woman. Nawe ekhaya, do something bafethu. I just want to share something, especially to the photographers and to the model and to the people out there bafethu. You know what? Collaborate. Alright, if you are a photographer or you are getting into photography, bafethu, collaborate. If you are a model or a singer or anything that you do, you have a business, a brand, collaborate. Collaboration is bafethu. This is extending other people can get to see your work. Yabo musebenza no Senzokhaya bafethu, abantu ba Senzokhaya will get to see your work. Nabako will get to see Senzokhaya's work. You just do it. Just do it, you know, and you reach more audience for your business. So collaboration. You don't charge for collaboration. They don't charge you for collaboration because you are exchanging the network. It's something that we need to teach ourselves. Start somewhere. But anyway, I'm Senzokhaya Kambule. I'm also going to be here next week on Friday. Check the episode out. The new episode is coming. Subscribe to the thingy here. Subscribe. I'm out. I'm gone. Cheers, man. Shout out.